My name is Moses Okiror. I'm the CEO of SurePay Uganda Limited. Here at SurePay, we have taken on the task of ensuring that we support our businesses here in Uganda, starting with schools. We've really made sure that we develop a technology that responds to different challenges that our schools go through today. Just to give you, for an example, in a school environment, you realize that there are a lot of things that are happening. There is school fees collection, there is enrollment of children, preparation of financial statements, management of inventory, payment of suppliers, but all this is done manually. And by doing it manually, that means there are so many errors. The theft of this, school fees, there's lack of proper accountability, there is a lack of transparency, and you realize that everything is littered all over. And even to talk about enrollment and processing of report cards, there are a lot of costs that these schools incur. Take, for example, processing of the report cards. A majority, or 99% of the schools, are relying on the external service providers that charge them exorbitant amount of money to process these cards. But with introduction of SurePay in your school, it means that SurePay now comes to enable you to cut on most of these costs. One, loss of your theft. When we give you our system, that means money will be picked from a parent directly to the school bank account. That means that have been solved. Your report cards, it means that when we give you a system, you're able to process your report cards. That means you're going to save on the cost that you will have otherwise spent processing these report cards everywhere. But also, that is school fees collection. But we have also widened our coverage in terms of our product offering, because we also have a property management system, which system that we've designed for landlords, property owners, real estate owners. And this system comes to resolve a simple problem that has been there: lack of proper accountability and transparency from the caretakers. Now, when a landlord gets this system, it means that the landlord is now able to manage his or her finances by themselves, because the tenant is able to pay money using SurePay straight to the landlord's account, and there will have resolved issues. Talk about the churches. The churches today have got some challenges. That is registration of their members, collection of contributions by the members within the church, collection of the tithes, collection of the offertory. So our system comes in handy. We have developed what we call a religious management system. This system is able to serve the church, is able to charge the mosques in resolving financial issues and administrative issues within the church. So our system comes to respond to that. Talk about circles. There are over and above 31,000 circles in this country, and most of them, a majority of them, are either running business manually, using manual processes, using books and receipts, or some of them that have adopted system, they are really using systems that are very expensive. So SurePay comes in with a system, SureBanker, core banking system, whereby circles are able to register their members, they are able to open accounts for them, members are able to deposit, members are able to withdraw money. This way, we are now able to solve the problem of financial inclusivity, meaning that every circle can afford to use our system. That way, we believe that we'll have solved issues of manual record keeping, which can easily be lost. We are not able to do this alone. We work with partners, we work with banks. To date, we have brought all the banks in Uganda. We work with them, starting from Equity, talk about DFCU, talk about Postbank, talk about ABSA. Very many of them, we are working with them. That means if you are a business, whether you're a school proprietor, whether you're a property owner, whether you're a church, you can be rest assured that we have systems that are able to enable you pick money from your clients, from your members, directly to the school or to your institution's bank account. But also within the system, we have features that enable you to process reports. You're able to generate reports that are able to inform your decisions. This year has really been a very good year for us, because we believe that we have reached quite a number of prospective clients who have actually accepted to take up the business. Talk about schools, talk about landlords, talk about the churches, talk about the circles. This year has been very busy, and we promise that next year is even going to be more productive, because we have beefed up our team. We have recruited more field people that are spread all over the country to reach out to the schools, to the circles, to the churches, to the property owners, to just make sure that they adopt technology, because we believe that Uganda as a country can only be transformed when we adopt the usage of technology.